Hi there, thank you very much for joining me. My name's Paul. Today I've got one of our Mercedes Sprinter Luton vans. Going to take you on a quick walk around. We're going to have a look at some of the features and the benefits that this fantastic van's got to offer to you and to your business. So, starting off with, this van, as with all of our used vehicles, has undergone and passed a 128-point AA inspection. Having passed that inspection, the vehicle comes with a standard 3 months AA warranty. However, if you do wish to, you can upgrade this warranty to 1, 2 or 3 years at your discretion. Breaking that down a little bit for you, a 3-year extended warranty works out $599. If you're on a 5-year finance deal, such as a hire purchase plan, that's going to work out at £10 per month, which is basically what it costs for me to insure my mobile phone. On top of that, we're covering you with 1 year's AA roadside assistance. That's good for one call out in the year, but again, if you wish to, you can upgrade this one as well. For an additional £1 per month, the AA will upgrade you to unlimited call-outs. Now, with this vehicle, as with all of our vehicles, we've already applied a triple layer Guardex treatment. That's a paint protection pack. That's going to give you some protection against any negative effects of things like UV from sunlight, acidity and rainwater, anything at all really that's going to cause any premature aging, dimming or deterioration to that lovely finish. Now, as you can see, just looking from the side on there, masses of space in that payload area. Just coming around to the back, you've got the tail lift there. On the opposite side, on the near side of the vehicle, that's where we've got our external controls for that. So I'm just going to get that isolator switch switched on, get that tail lowered, and we'll have a look in the back. Okay, so looking into the back storage area, roller shutters up there. We've got the controls there for the tail lift on the inside of the van, so I've switched that over there so the tail lift can be operated here. Now, in terms of dimensions in the back here, we've got 222 centimeters across the width, 228 centimeters height from the floor to the ceiling, and from the bulkhead there coming all the way along the floor to the back, we've got 405 centimeters of decent usable storage length. Also above the cab, there's 45 centimeters extra storage above there. You've also got the railings along both sides of the back, so if you need anything tied down for stability or safety, it's going to make that nice and easy to do so. So loads and loads of functionality there for you. Tie down points as well in the back, so if you need anything tied down for stability or safety, it's going to be very, very easy for you to do so. Let's have a look in the cab. Okay, moving into the cab on the offside, on the driver's side, lots and lots of storage room in the door channels, electronic central locking, electronically controlled windows, lighting controls behind the steering wheel to the right. There you've got automatic wipers with this vehicle as well. 3 adjustable headrests there, so maximum convenience for everyone inside the vehicle. 3 3-point seat belts, so lots of safety, tilt adjuster for the driver's backrest and a height adjuster as well. Jumping up into the driver's seat now. I'm going to pop the key into the compartment just to the side of the gear stick there. We've got keyless ignition just behind the steering wheel to the left. So clutch down. So as you see, the vehicle starts up nice and easy first time, which is perfect. Looking at your dash there, no warning lights on that dash display, 64,000 miles on the clock. Nice crystal clear, easy to read dash display there as well. Looking backwards at the steering wheel, lots and lots of connectivity and functionality on this steering wheel. So options for your dash display there on the right, just using the touchpad to go through those. Now underneath that, you've also got your cruise control options there. On the opposite side, volume, voice controls, and the pad on the other side will control the media system. So, just looking at the media system there, as you can see, you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. So to use that, we're just going to use the USB point in the center of the storage behind the dash there. Coming backwards into the home page, DAB radio is included. You can stream audio if you wish from any connected Bluetooth device. Lots of vehicle settings as well there, assistances as well, so lots and lots going on there for us. Moving downwards, you've got the climate controls just there in the middle. Moving underneath those, you've got 6-speed manual gearbox, the isolator there for the tail lift as well. and everything's finished off to a really nice high standard, really nice and comfortable, really well finished. Lots of lighting options on the ceiling, along with the SOS call button there as well. So that's our Mercedes Sprinter Luton van. Fantastic vehicle, I'm sure you'd agree. Lots and lots of functionality and benefits there for you and for your business. Just to make you aware, 10 foot and 7 inches of vehicle height in total, or 3.2 meters. 3,500 kilo maximum allowed mass. So lots and lots of flexibility and usability there for you to make use of. Now, anything further we can do to assist with a purchase or to discuss one of our fantastic personalised finance deals, please let us know. It will be a pleasure to look after you however we possibly can. Aside from that, thank you very much for your time today. Have a fantastic day ahead, and we'll look forward to speaking to you very, very soon. Bye now.